May I remind you that trading is risky and not suitable for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Welcome to QuantBox Daily. Today is Wednesday, May 3rd. Okay, so we got an FOMC meeting later today, so not a lot of trading going on until that decision has been made, seeing as we are directing all our trades based on fundamental analysis. However, I wanted to check in with you guys just to chat about these trades we spoke about in our watch list yesterday. So as you can see, we were looking for the lower low, lower high on this little range over here. We didn't get it. Well, 21 above the 55, fair enough. Price broke down and then shot back up into the range and then shot up. So you never would have got an opportunity to sell this. You can see that price is now coming up to that support, but it's closed inside this range over here. So I'm not a massive fan of that. Looking at this, is look at Aussie yen individually. Because again, like I'm just looking at this from a seasonal perspective because of summer holidays that are coming up and what traders tend to do in those situations. You can see prices come up, hit this profit taking zone, now come down. Okay, cool. So then let's look for a lower low, lower high like we were going to. And you can see right now I don't have price form closing at resistance. My resistance levels being this over here and this over here. Okay, I haven't got that yet. Price doesn't seem to be closing at support, which is interesting. So I'm looking for this to form some kind of price broke support and support became resistance. You can see price closing just below that level over there. Can I get a lower low, lower high off of this? And what would that look like? Let's move this range over here. And let's just try the strategy again. Currently out of position for a sell, not a great, look how nice it was over there. Beautiful in position over here, not so much. I don't like this trade. I'm going to actually just leave this off the watch list. I want this to look better. So I'm taking Aussie yen off the watch list. Okay, we'll look at it tomorrow. Then CAD yen worked out nicely. You can see here we broke out of that range, pulled back to the bottom of that range. That wick counts, and then there's your trade. Beautiful. Okay, cool. And so now you're sitting in here and you focus on the fact that price is now currently sitting at the support level. And on a lower time frame chart, that doesn't look like a higher high yet, but you are looking at this and saying if we do get a higher high, so you're looking at like this. If price comes up and closes at any level of support here, that level, that level, that level, that level, well, so you can see this level, this level, this level, this level, any of those levels, then take a look at the lower time frames. This might end up being more of a scalp than a longer term trade. And that's okay. There's still some decent pippage inside that. You're looking at what, 96 pips? Maximum was 133. Decent. In terms of Kiwi yen, didn't get what we were looking for. You can see their price breaking out the upside, coming back down, coming back inside that range. And this is not giving us what we look for. So let's take a look at Kiwi yen individually. And you can see they're now currently in a bullish buy zone, price back inside the bottom of that range. Not what we were looking for. Okay, you can see on the daily time frame still continuing up, so top of the range, not holding price down. Interesting stuff. And over there you can see that price is now back to the bottom of that range. So I'm going to leave this alone as well. Also take this off the watch list. The only reason why I'm leaving CAD yen on the watch list is just because I want to pay attention to whether I need to close this or not. Okay, and that's based again on that M15 time frame, you know, higher high, higher low. Want to get out of that. Outside of that, I'm not going to provide any other discussions tonight about technical analysis because, again, we're waiting for an FOMC meeting. Let's see what those guys say at FOMC. And then after that, we can start dealing with price and any biases that change. But I did want to check in with you and discuss these trades on our watch list and how we can potentially manage that CAD yen trade if you're currently in it. Fantastic, my friends. I hope you have a good day. Good luck with your FOMC meeting. Stay patient, stay disciplined. Stay liquid, and I'll see you soon.